So on my last video, I turned my Apple Watch into a Rolex Daytona Rainbow watch using the Clockology app and other accessories. In this video, I'm gonna turn my Apple Watch into a Gucci watch as well as a Casio G-Shock watch. So we're not gonna waste any time and we're gonna jump straight into the video. I will leave direct links and prices to all the products that I bought to make these designs down in the description below. So let's get right into the video. And here's the final product, the beautiful Gucci watch. It came out really nice. I only spent like $17 on this one. And like I said, I'm gonna leave those direct links in the description down below so you can check them out. But I did do a lot of research to find the perfect Gucci watch band. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me determine what kind of content you guys are into. Alright, now we're gonna go for the Casio G-Shock design. So for this design, I only spent $19 on Amazon, and like I said, I'll leave the links down in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. And as you see me work on this new design, I just want to mention, if you're interested in the Rolex Daytona design, I will leave the link for that video down in the description. And if you need to learn how to use the Clockology app, I also made a full guide on how to use it. I will also leave that link down in the description below. This one is really helpful and I show you all kinds of mistakes you could probably make, and also how to properly use this app to get the most out of it. So let's get back into the Casio G-Shock design. Alright, and here's the final design. I really think this one takes the bread, to be honest with you. It just looks really real. If you enjoy this type of content, guys, please subscribe to this channel. I'm coming up with new ideas and new videos almost every week, so definitely you don't want to miss them. And I appreciate every single one of you who has subscribed to this channel, and a lot more exciting things are to come in the near future. So thanks for that, and I hope to see you in the next one.